Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to connect your Xiaomi Mibro Color to your smartphone. Let's go. Alright guys, so upon turning on the Mibro Color, so we will be greeted with this QR code. So all we just have to do is we are going to go to our camera application and we are going to scan this QR code. Okay, and it says here open in Chrome. Okay, and we are going to just download Mibro Fit. It's downloading now, guys. So after that, guys, so we're going to tap on okay. Mibro Fit would like to use Bluetooth, so okay. Would like to use Bluetooth for new connection, so let's turn on our Bluetooth. Okay, so we are now in our Mibro Fit application, guys. So as you can see, this is the app. We have it. When you tap me, then you can see there the health report, data, your personal information. And now let's tap on device. Okay, now let's tap on add device. Okay, so it has detected this one, XPAW002, so tap on that one. Pairing. Alright, so as you can see, guys, it automatically shows our smartwatch. So let's click on pair, allow, and successful pairing is complete. Okay, alright guys, so as you can see, it's already connected. Now guys, for us to make sure that our watch is already bound, so let's tap on find a watch here. So let's tap on that one, and guys, at the moment our watch, it is vibrating, so it means it is successful, guys. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.